Okay, so this is the 18th part of our follow tutorial series, data structures and algorithm. So I've been talking about stack operation. So far, we have been discussed three operations according to stacks. What are those? What are those? Are push operation, pop operation, and peek operations. So today I'm going to talk about is empty operation. Okay, so basically is empty operation means, as its own meaning, it is checking whether our stack is empty or not. Okay, so actually this is a very important code, because when it comes to programming, most of the time we need to check whether our data structure is empty or not. Because if our data structure is empty, therefore it is not necessary to some compromising thing will be happen if we proceed some codes. So at this state, I can't say what are those errors or something like that. Maybe they will be having underflows or overflows or something like that. So for now, just remember is empty procedure is for checking our stack is empty or not, and it's just simply returning true or false, because is empty is like a question form. It is asking for check our stack is empty or not. If it is empty, it will be output true. It is not empty, which means our stack is having some kind of elements, therefore it will be output or display false. So it is very simple code actually. So as you can see in this pseudo code, it is first check our top is less than -1, or you can also assume our top is equal to -1. Is also correct, but this one is more convenient, because let's say we has been do something wrong to our topmost locations, therefore it could have been gone so far at the minus state. Therefore our top is normally in the initial state. If it is empty, there will be top is equal to -1, but in some rare cases there will be top is -2, top is -3, or something like that. Therefore it is better to checking our top is less than -1 or not. And of course, absolutely, you can check top is equal to -1 also. Anyway, our top is less than -1 or equal to -1, which means our stack is empty. Therefore, it's simply returning true. If it is not, which means our top is not equal to -1 or not less than -1, which means our stack is having elements. Therefore, it is not empty, so it will be returning false. So that is basically what happened in the is empty operation. So this is our C code, and let's move to our C code also. Okay, so I'm doing this thing fast, maybe because this is a very same code we have been done in 3 times. Only several steps has been changed. So if you haven't understand what I'm doing over here, or what I'm coding over here, you can check the previous 3 or 2, maybe push, pop, and peek episodes. They will be help you if you do not understand this. Okay, so let's do our code. Defining max chai, num, top, stack. Let's see our default values like this. Okay, so there will be top is equal to 4. I assume my num is equal to 1. Okay. Simply is our function. So if top greater than, or maybe like this, will be returned 0, and if it is not, returning maybe 1. And now avoid main method. Do you want to check the stack is empty or not? Okay. So first it will be asking for 1 and print that maybe, let's say, if is empty equals to 0, printf, let's say the stack is empty. So what if it is not, which means is empty is equal to 1. Therefore it's, we can say like this: the stack is not empty. What if I put -1 over here? It will be simply end our program by returning 0. Okay, I think our code is done. Let's compile. It's having some output. I forgot to put 1 over here. Let's compile. Again, I forgot to put -1 over here. Maybe I have been pressed numlock. That's why I have been doing such kind of errors. What was that? Number 41. Oh, okay. The thing is this, because I can't return some kind of values if I used void. Instead of that, I used int. Then I can simply return this value, and this will fix this issue. Okay, no errors. Let's try our code. So at the initial state, our stack is not empty. So if I press 1 over here, it should be saying the stack is not empty. Let's see it is or not. Okay, it's saying the stack is not empty. What if our stack is actually empty? Okay, I can simply delete these stuffs. -1. Okay, so actually this is not a good coding. Okay, but when, because we deleted things in the code in order to check our code is working or not. This is actually not a good programming procedure. But when it comes to stack data structure, there is nothing we have to do. Okay, because this is only a single code. Okay, therefore if we want to check our stack is empty or not, we have to delete that structure, because stack is a static data structure. Therefore well, we can perform pop operation, which means we're more convenient about a stack. If we perform pop operation over here, then we can simply do our isEmpty procedure without deleting the content of this stack. If it is not, I mean, if I only consider about this code, or let's say is empty state, there is no option I have to do in order to check it is empty or not. I have to delete that stack. But actually there is an option, but we haven't discussed is about it. It is dynamic stack. Okay, so it will be take place after we are discussed about linked list. So you will be saying what I am saying in later episode. For now, actually this is not a good coding. I am emphasizing this for you guys. If you want to be a good programmer, then this is not the way you should do your codes. But in here there is no option, right? So I'm just want to show you guys what are the is empty procedure. I'm not going to more focused on programming in this state, because when it comes to programming there should be having considered so many things, like you have be considered about your execution time, the efficiency of the code, like this. So there are several things. I teach you guys those things later. So let's do what we have to do. So if I enter 1, it will be saying our stack is empty, because I just deleted my stack and top has been changed to the -1. Okay, so this is how basically is empty procedure works. And thank you for watching this video.